Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2019 Ford Transit 250 cargo van. Now the exterior color is an Oxford white, and under the hood we have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our halogen high and low beam headlights, and over at the side we have our 16-inch wheels wrapped in our Continental tires, as well as we have our cut black mirror caps and black door handles. We also have our sliding rear door at the right side, as well as we have an alarm system built into our cargo van. At the rear we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection as well as a trailer hitch connection. We also have our Transit 250 EcoBoost and Ford badging, as well as we have our swing open doors on the left and right side. And at the rear window we have an embedded defroster, as well as we have a reverse camera. At our interior we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, power mirrors, and our automatic headlamp dial, as well as we have our steering wheel with our information trackpad and cruise control settings, and our hands-free entertainment and volume controls. And as we look up we have our auto-dimming review mirror with our cabin lights, as well as we have our overhead storage, and at the rear we have 4 cabin lights. And as we look at our interior we have our cloth seating, which comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for the driver, as well as it is also heated. And as we look ahead, you'll notice we have our LCD display screen, which allows for our time, as well as a radio display, and as well we can watch the display of our reverse camera. And at our receiver we have a CD insert with radio connectivity, including AM and FM Sirius XM, as well as phone connectivity for Bluetooth calling. And underneath we have our emergency lighting, as well as we have our climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout our entire cabin, as well as we have our 12-volt adapter, as well as a USB port and another 12-volt adapter. We also have our cup holder, as well as we have our shift lever here with our manual option of 6 different speeds, and our integrated trailer braking system. As we slide open our door, you'll notice we have loads of storage in the rear of our cargo van for any and all utility needs, which comes with a vinyl floor with tons of room and handles at the rear to help in and out of this wonderful cargo van. With overhead storage, we have loads of room to ensure that any utility job or storage van needs will be completed. If there are any more questions about this outstanding transit van, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.